Thinking about a basketball campus for your kids and you don't know where to go or which campus to choose for your kids, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will share with you our own path of how we have been choosing the campuses throughout these last few years. From 2021, we already participate in different campuses with kids, we participate on different training activities, and everything sums up. Watch this video till the end, because apart from our experience, I will also be sharing how much it costed, the pros and cons of each basketball campus. Before we start, I want to share you that I offer travel advisor services, and in case you think that you need help for booking your flights, for looking for a perfect hotel for your getaway, or organizing your family trip during this summer, then I can help you doing it and to have create the research for you and to help you with the links to find out the best deals offers. Apart from this, if you are looking for a specific campus and you need some help, I can also help and advise you throughout the process. All you have to do, you have to click on the link in the description. It will lead you to Google form where you will have to share with me your email, your destination, and your budget, and how many people are you going over there. And that's it. And I will come back to you with a detailed proposal that will fit better for you, for your family, and will create you an amazing journey. So let's jump into the campuses. I have prepared several bullet points over here that I want to be guided through, and I don't want to miss anything while sharing our experience with you. So in 2021, we started participating in specific campuses that local based, that are local basketball schools, or for example, it can be an organization that create a campus, and it is more oriented for kids who already play basketball, not for those that don't have any idea of it. The best thing about these local basketball campuses is that those are affordable and accessible. It means that the price of those are not as high, because it is usually the basketball campuses are higher in price than normal campuses that you don't do any sports activity. And accessible because it is not usually not so far from our home. We choose the organization or the places that are close by to the home, and that the logistics is easier for us, that we can work and to leave our kids in these campuses. That's what we did. Usually in this kind of campuses, they are focusing on learning the fundamentals of drills. They learn more about community bonding. It is a great opportunity for kids to understand who are the players. These local campuses are great for younger kids or first-time campers. For example, in our case, Mark went to basketball, but he wasn't experienced in this, and these kind of campuses helped him to improve his skills as well. For Damien, it improves his skills a lot. About pros, it is close to home, it is lower stress, and the price is affordable. In cons, I would say that it is less intensive, but if you're looking for kids who are just starting this basketball journey, then it is just perfect. And the price for local basketball activities is usually in range between 200 and 300 euros. What we paid, usually it was around 250 euros per 1 week. And usually all the local basketball campuses, lunch is included. And maybe some gear like a t-shirt or something very specific, but not as many gear for the trainings. Let's move on to the second one. It is about Pau Gasol Academy. In Pau Gasol Academy, Damien participated only once. Mark didn't participate. It is located in Barcelona. We didn't have to move to another place. It is farther from our home, but it is still in Barcelona. Usually a lot of kids are coming internationally to this campus. It is famous because it is founded by an NBA legend like Pau Gasol, and it attracts a lot of international kids to come and to enjoy basketball. This kind of this campus of Pau Gasol Academy is also known for a blend of values that are shared within the kids. So it is not only about learning skills, but it is about learning values like eating healthy. They are sharing the knowledge in terms of how to eat healthier for the basketball player. It is more educational, and it's more about teamwork values. Those are really implemented during this kind of campus. This campus is great because it has a high physical preparation. It is high nutritional preparation. Kids were get, apart from the lunch, in this campus the lunch was included, but a part of the lunch there were a lot of nutritional snacks included during the campus. It is the only campus where our kids received snacks apart from lunch, so it's something different to what we've seen. And as well, during this campus the kids are learned leadership and how to enjoy the process of playing the game. Damien also received some gear, 2 t-shirts and shorts. He received a pack of different snacks, and even I think that he received some badges and a bag with Pau Gasol Academy merch on this. Pros. It is elite coaching. A lot of people who are coaching there are already trainers in basketball, and they are coming to this campus. It is holistic focus, and it is excellent for a higher skill level. Cons. It is a little bit higher the price than for local basketball campuses. It is 400. We paid 450 euros for 1 week. Let's move on to Barça Basketball Campus. It is hosted by FC Barcelona's main basketball club. It has great facilities, like for example, all the trainings are held in the headquarter area. So you can see all the facilities that professional trainers have there. So it is a great opportunity for kids to live a little bit the life of an experienced basketball player. The trainings that are held during this campus are like Barça methodology, so everything it is in the way that other kids are playing there. For example, Barça has its own academy over there, and during the campus you will enjoy the same methodology as kids enjoy throughout the year. There is about the team strategy drill and a lot of other educational stuff that helps kids to improve their skills during that week. Here gear as well is included. We had a bag of 2 t-shirts and 2 shorts. There was a bag with Barça Academy and a lot of other merch included in the bag. That was really cool. Kids enjoyed it, and it was really lovely. About pros. There is a professional atmosphere, and the campus is well organized. The first 4 days the kids are going alone. You are not allowed to enter. The kids are training over there. They have the lunch included, and the only day that we parents are allowed to watch them, it is on Friday. We are invited at midday after they have the lunch, and till the end of the campus we can watch them training, and you can see with your own eyes how the kids are training, and by the end you see the beautiful ending of the campus with diplomas. Cons. It is high price tag. We paid for Barça for the campus at Barça 465 euros per kid, and here what we did, we were looking for this campus like from February. They opened the subscription in March, and we went really quick because I think that it is running out of places if you are booking this kind of campus. And the last one that we enjoyed it a lot, it was about Lakers Youth Basketball Camp. It was held in Los Angeles, and it is held and it is organized by Los Angeles Lakers Youth Foundation. The most amazing part about this is that you have a real NBA feel. You understand the Lakers culture. You have the coaches from with NBA experience. They meet a lot of staff that are working for Los Angeles Lakers in real time. And apart from this, the facilities like UCLA are or Lakers Training Center. In our case, it was UCLA's facilities, very, very beautiful. One of the most amazing parts, and I would say that in any campus, we didn't have so much gear like here. I think that here were our kids were given from the shirts, t-shirts and shorts. They were given a bottle of water, and every day they were given new and new and new merch from Los Angeles Lakers. What was amazing, I think that we were left with a lot of Los Angeles Lakers stuff that kids enjoyed having it at home. Pros. It is an epic experience, and I would say that it is a dream experience for Lakers fans or for NBA fans. You really live the NBA experience in this campus, so it's super cool. About the cons, it is really expensive. It involves international travel that it sums up to the costs because you have to pay the international flights, and you have to book your book hotels as parents if you want to stay, and for kids obviously. And as part of this, there are very, very limited spots because I would say that in one day or less, all the spots were taken. You have to be very well organized and to look after this campus to book it. So it's not as easy to get into it. And we paid $750 for this campus. The lunch was included, and some snacks as well were included in this price. In comparison, let's take over it. In our case, because our kids are already professional basketball players and have a high level, obviously we have to go further and to look for more elite campuses. In this case, they will improve better and better, and they will have another experience. And we really understand this. It will obviously it will take us with a higher price, so we will have to pay more, and we have to look to have different campuses internationally, what we consider already. But in case your kid is just a beginner and it is still learning, then I think that elite campuses are still not for them. They neither kids neither you won't enjoy the process of getting into an elite basketball campus. I really advise you that first try to go locally and to find some local clubs, local organization that will improve the skills of your kids. And only after it, when you feel like your kid has a certain level, you can go further with an elite basketball campuses. In this way, you will enjoy it more, you will find it more interesting even for you to see your kids playing there. Apart from this, in our case, because our kids are speaking Spanish, we choose in Los Angeles. We knew that there are a lot of people who speak Spanish. For our smaller kid, it was much easier to integrate. There were kids who were translating for him because he wasn't with his brother. The level is different, and as well the age is different. For our older son, for Damien, it wasn't difficult. He already speaks English, and he already participated in international trainings. and he had this experience of meeting, of playing with kids from different countries, so it was easy for us. But in your case, you have to consider if for your kid it will be the first international experience, like for us it was Los Angeles Lakers, then consider the how your kid can speak in English or in the language that you will attend the local basketball campus, and as well find out how he or she is creating relationships with kids, and how fast he is getting integrated into the team. And last but not least, obviously, travel and logistics are super important. If you can take vacation during their campuses or not, you have to prepare for attending the campuses in one or another way. I can help you with the travel planning services. I can help you to organize your next trip. Click on the link on the form, on the Google form that I will leave in the description. Fill it in with the data that I'm asking you for, and I will come back with a great proposal. So that's it about the campuses, about basketball campuses. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments down below. I will be happy to answer all of your questions as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and till next time, bye.